Welcome! I'm Dr. Spillman, and this is my anti-inflammatory soup recipe. This soup is recommended for anyone with any type of inflammation, autoimmune disease, high blood pressure, digestive issues, or anyone who wants to lose weight in a healthy way. The best tip I can give you about this soup is to make certain that you are not sensitive to any of the ingredients. There are certain lab tests that are decent in identifying food allergies that I recommend. If that is not an option, avoid any ingredient that gives you hives, intestinal gas, or acid reflux. Food allergy symptoms can show up for up to 48 hours after consumption. I did not include garlic or onions in this soup because I have a sensitivity to them. However, you are welcome to add them if they agree with you. Let's begin. Yellow squash is low in calories, with about 20 calories per 1 cup serving of raw squash. The skin of the summer squash is where the most antioxidants are found, such as beta-carotene and lutein. Squash does contain measurable amounts of oxalates, which are natural substances found in plants and other foods that can cause health problems in people with certain existing conditions. If you have untreated kidney or gallbladder problems, you might want to avoid eating too much squash. Zucchini is packed with many important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is high in fiber and low in calories. Fiber plays an important role in digestion and may limit the risk for a variety of gastrointestinal issues. Zucchini contains zeaxanthin and several other compounds that can play a role in preventing oxidative stress. It is important that you buy organic ingredients for this soup, especially in cases where the skin of the vegetable is included. The antioxidants in celery include well-known varieties such as flavonoids and vitamin C, as well as lunularin and bergaptan. Celery is rich in a plant compound called phthalate. This phytochemical relaxes your artery walls to help blood flow and to lower your blood pressure. For most of us, celery is a healthy inclusion to the diet, but some people may be allergic to it. A mild reaction may include symptoms such as an itching mouth or tongue, sneezing, or a runny nose. Celery is high in oxalates and may not be suitable for those with kidney stones or kidney-related conditions. Each color of carrot has a little something different to offer. The purple variety has polyacetylenes, which also have anti-inflammatory properties. You'll find the most lutein in the yellow variety. Orange carrots have lots of alpha and beta carotene, while black carrots are rich in phenolic compounds. Red carrots have high amounts of lycopene. Cooking carrots breaks down the vegetable's thick cellular walls, which makes the antioxidants easier to absorb. Yukon Golds are medium-sized potatoes with a golden skin. The Yukon Gold was first bred in Canada in 1966. It's a cross between a yellow flesh Peruvian hybrid and a white flesh variety from North Dakota and contains fewer calories than some other varieties of potato. Broccoli is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamins C, K, and A. It also contains several important minerals, including potassium, calcium, and iron. These antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Broccoli's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and fiber-rich properties support heart health. It can help lower cholesterol, maintain proper blood pressure, and promote cardiovascular health. Shiitake mushrooms provide a wealth of compounds responsible for the mushroom's medicinal benefits. These include the polysaccharide lentinin, aritatinine, water-soluble lignans, centamycins A and B, beta-glucans, alpha-1, 4-glucan oligosaccharides, and triterpenes. These compounds give shiitake mushrooms their beneficial health properties. Canned tomatoes provide lycopene, a phytochemical or natural plant compound that provides health benefits. Canned beans are fully cooked during the canning process, destroying natural protein toxins. Please rinse the beans before adding to the soup. Bell peppers are rich in various antioxidants, especially carotenoids. Spinach contains many plant compounds that can improve health, such as lutein, camphorol, quercetin, and zeaxanthin. Green beans are full of antioxidants including vitamin C, flavonols, quercetin, and camphorol. These antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, which help to reduce cell damage and may help to lower your risk of certain health conditions. Lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber, and plant compounds that give them a number of health benefits. Avocados contain an impressive amount of nutrients and are especially rich in fiber, B6, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, folate, and copper.